Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can highlight texts in Filmora. If you want to add text to your video you are currently editing and want it to stand out, this video is for you. So first, simply open the Filmora app on your mobile device. Then select the video you want to add the highlighted text. After you have selected the video, you can see an option called text on the bottom of your screen, which is right next to audio. Tap on it. Then you'll see an option called add. After you tap on add, you can write any text you want. For now, I'll just write hello. Then to make this text highlighted, you can see many small options right below your text, like style, font, template, art, and animation. Tap on style, and from here you can choose different types of colors for your letters, which will make it stand out. So that's it. Now you guys know how to highlight texts in Filmora. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.